Let me show you how we can disable TalkBack on Redmi A7 Pro. But before I actually show you that, it is worth knowing how to navigate on the phone when TalkBack is enabled, because the navigation is slightly changed. So if you have any option, button, anything that you have to tap on in order to use, when TalkBack is enabled, you have to tap on that thing once in order to highlight it, and then you need to double tap in order to confirm that you want to use that selected option. This is the case for every switcher, every app that you have, for example, on the home screen. If you have buttons for navigation at the bottom of the screen, it works for them as well, and so on and so forth. So anything that is selectable that you have to tap on in order to use, you have to tap once to highlight it and then double tap to confirm. In the case of gestures, like for example scrolling on a page, swiping between different pages on the home screen, or even using gestures when you use gestures for navigation, in that case you have to use 2 fingers instead of just 1. The gesture itself is exactly the same as before, but now you have to use 2 fingers. So now we can begin, and I'm actually gonna start from the home screen. So I'm just gonna go to recent or background apps by using 2 fingers. There we go. And then with 2 fingers I can swipe up, of course, in order to close everything. Now on the home screen, we're gonna go to settings. If you have settings on the home screen, then you can just tap once and then double tap to go into settings. If you need to go to the app drawer, we can swipe up with 2 fingers, and then we can scroll down on this list with 2 fingers, of course, and find settings. Tap on settings once and then double tap anywhere on the screen. Once you open settings, you want to scroll down, of course, so once again we need to use 2 fingers. Tap on additional settings once and then double tap, and then we're gonna tap on accessibility once and then double tap. In here, tap on vision once and then double tap. In here, we're gonna tap on a TalkBack and then double tap. Now we need to tap on a use TalkBack and then double tap, and confirm by tapping on turn off and then double tap. There we go. TalkBack is now finally deactivated, and now you can use 1 finger again, and you don't have to select anything. You can just tap on a thing in order to use it. Leave a like and subscribe.